everybody. This is Zaramaru here, and what am I unboxing today? Well, I think based on the playmats, we have some Eternity Code, which I'm pretty sure either because this morning and even yesterday there was none left on the shelves at all. So either these were extras and put out with more stuff this morning. B, they were found on some random shelf in the store and put back up there. Also, probably a highly likely scenario. Or C, hidden for someone to potentially steal and found and then put back on the shelf. B and C are my high probabilities for that. And also we got a thing of Duel Overload. And now, for the most part, I'm happy with the amount of cards that I've gotten from Duel Overload. So I'm not sure on what I want. And for our oversized manga card, we have pulled the Blue Eyes White Dragon. This legendary dragon is a powerful engine of destruction, virtually invincible. Very few have faced this awesome creature and lived to tell a tale. Cat, I'm going to need you off. You're not part of this video, Cat. No. I would love to pull Infinite Impermanence, Verte Anaconda, Needle Fiber, another one would be nice. Union Carrier. What else could I use? I've forgotten what's in this set. First off, we've got Firebrand Hymnist, Raid Raptor Wise Strix, which, speaking of this card, and I think I know exactly what that third card is, there's Raid Raptor support coming out in Phantom Rage in Japan in a few months. And yes, I thought that's exactly what it was when I saw an X in water. We got Needle Fiber. Or, and if you want to use the English name, Crystron Halcafibrax, Salamangreat Almirage, and Scrap Orthos. Already starting us off. I think I already made my money with this one box. And the packs combined. Phantasm Emperor Trilojig, which, speak of which, we do have that structure deck coming out next month, a few days after my birthday. Looking forward to it. Reptilian Echidna. Cyber Emergency. Awesome. Magical Musketeer Starfire. Actually, I've opened, I think, a decent amount of packs. Not all on camera. This is the first one I've ever pulled with Starfire, I think. And Synchro Transcend. I'm keeping notable cards on the side. Cubic Casualty, Firebrand, Phantasme. That's another one I've never pulled. This is awesome. We've got Secret Six Samurai Fuma, and Cubic Dharma. I actually never pulled one of these before, ever. This is a fantastic box. That's awesome. Terraforming already starting off great. Number 27, Dreadnought Dreadnoid. Celine, Queen of the Master Magicians. We have White Mare and Double Evolution Bill. And my cat is being a brat. She's happy I'm home and she wants to be held. You know I'm off tomorrow, so she has all day then. I get it. You want my attention, or you just want, you just want all my attention. Reptilian Echidna, Enema's Judgment, Condemned Dark Lord, Malefic Paradox Gear, and Kingyo Sukui. That was a trap card that almost no one could pronounce. It's fine. There's always card names that are hard to pronounce. Don't worry, I got your back, Cyber Knight. Since I know he has an issue trying to say that name. Cubic Ascension, Watt Giraffe, Tenyi Spirit Sahasra, Bloom Harmonist Melodious Composer, and Nellerfuma. So, most notable were the first 3 packs. The other 3, eh. And Cat, love you. You gotta stop. I'm also quite curious on these packs in case they were weighed and then just shoved back as well. That was another possibility. Because Simply Unlucky did a video similar in mentioning scams. Which I don't buy loose packs, I buy cases. I buy boxes because I know I'll get my money's worth then. I don't trust loose packs in the slightest. Now, you might think, oh, but you're buying the blister packs. Well, it's a possibility of being weighed on these, but those are from customers, and quite suspicious to just carry a whole bunch of cards over to the home line section and grabbing a scale. So let us see what we've got. Gookie Iron Claw, Basilalima, Artisan, Wagon. Oh my god! That's a card I've wanted to pull. Oh my god, I actually have more than made my money back on this. And I get a card I wanted. Ghost, Mourner, and Moonlit. Chill. Let's read this, shall we? Because this is the newest hand trap. If your opponent special summons a monster face up except during your damage step, discard this card and target one of those face up monsters. Negate effects until the end of this turn. Also, if that face up monster leaves the field this turn, its controller takes damage equal to its original attack. You can only use this effect once per turn. That is awesome. Familiar, XC, Virus. That is awesome. I was wondering if I was ever going to see that unless they reprinted it. I can actually say I actually have a first edition. Nice. This is a great opening now. Unchained Twins Sarama. Hitarakia. Artisan. IQ and... Ooh, Gasari Agnister. Parallel Exceed. Red Familiar. Nemesis Adrastia. Ancient Warrior Saga, Borrowing of Arrows. So I can safely say that this wasn't weighed. Only for the fact that I would not have pulled that secret. That's good news. Minstrel. Golden Hair. Pinpoint Dash. Goldilocks. What can we see? I got Chari, Ignister. I actually did need more of those. That's actually perfectly fine. Goldilocks, Sanctuary, Bluebeard, Magical Hound, Barbaros. Bluebeard, Barbaros. Last pack. we end with an Ultra? Secret? Starlight? Starbright? Let's find out. 0 Day. Ironclaw. Crimson Resonator. Goldilocks and Burning Draw. Shame, but that's how it works. Link Burst, XC's Revive Splash, Magical Hound, and Pride of the Plunder Patrol. My head is still throbbing. I'm actually shocked I made it through the video the way I did. Now, I have to say, Noble of Pulls. Hand Trap. Phantasme. Cyber Emergency, because Cyber Dragons are still used. And Needle Fiber. Let's move that. Get some more of the Dragon Maids in there. There we go. Speaking of which, I should have said at the beginning of the video, but these are playmats I bought from Simply Unlucky at his online shop at simplyunlucky.com. During COVID-19, the best way to support him is through playmats. Now, do understand that he does not have his full team, so it will take a while to send out your order. But trust me, send all the positive vibes you can to him. You know, when my very first order before this started, it was about my average wait time before it got shipped out from like most websites. I knew that there was a delay. Understandable. My paranoia always gets to me, but I figured I would send a nice email out, just curiously asking. Got a response very quickly, actually within the same day, by Simply Dan, who informed that it was just 3 people from the full team of 10. Big difference in a GameStop. It's GameStop. Game shop. You don't want to go into a GameStop. I'm like, fair enough. I look forward to it when it's here. Have yourself a great day on that. I'd say maybe like a day or so after I sent that email out, I actually got it in the mail. Very very shocking, but yeah. Second, because the very first order was this playmat, actually, the Dragon Maid one, with my at Ignister decor. Which, again, I could have probably waited and got the cards much cheaper than they ended up being. But I like to support small local businesses. Second one was this playmat. Actually, two of these playmats, because one's being sent to a friend of mine. I knew it was going to be delayed. He didn't even send an email. I think the only email I sent was telling them, asking how they're doing, hope everything is going good, and all of that. Appreciate and love the support. So, that's my little story for this. So please, do support if you can. I'm sure him and his team would love it. So, I wish I lived remotely close to that state. Well, obviously they can they're still not in the right phase to open, but if they did, I would try visiting. Hope you enjoyed it regardless. I am actually loving these pulls. That's amazing, because this was when I last looked, was 35. This is going for 60. This one's about between 2 to 4. I think the last time I checked on one of the websites. Not too terrible at all. I have a hard time pulling these. Phantasme is still going for about $13 to $16, because it is used in certain decks. This one, I think, was used in a Sky Striker deck when I last looked, which needed 2 of these. I at least pulled 1. Very happy regardless. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment. If you'd like to see any other card openings, please let me down below. Let me know. I will, I have no problem buying, well, Magic I'm not familiar with, so maybe not Magic, but if you like to see Pokemon cards, I wouldn't mind buying some and opening them up. This is Zaramaru, everybody. Have yourselves a fantastic day. Take care.